90% of students believe that getting high grades guarantees future success, while others believe that studying longer hours equals better results. However, there are many myths that can completely destroy your study journey. Today, we will be discussing 10 myths that students believe, and it's possible that you believe some of them too. So, let's get started. We only use 10% of our brain. You've probably heard this one before, and it's quite popular in movies and pop culture. However, it's entirely false. Our brains are highly complex and constantly active, even when we're not consciously aware of it. Every part of the brain has a specific function, and we utilize a significant portion of our brain's capacity throughout our daily lives. So, rest assured, you're not wasting 90% of your brain's potential. It's better to study in the early morning than late at night. Many students think that studying early in the morning when the mind is fresh leads to better retention and understanding. However, the truth is that the best time to study varies from person to person. Some individuals are more alert and productive in the morning, while others thrive during the late hours. It's important to find the study time that aligns with your own natural rhythm and maximizes your focus and concentration. Good grades guarantee future success. We often hear that getting top grades is the ultimate path to a successful future. While academic achievements can open doors and create opportunities, success in life is influenced by a multitude of factors. Attributes such as resilience, adaptability, interpersonal skills, and a strong work ethic play significant roles in shaping future success. Instead of solely chasing grades, focus on holistic development, exploring your passions, and cultivating a diverse skill set that will serve you in various aspects of life. You will not use what you have learned. Some students may question the relevance of certain subjects or topics, thinking they will not be applicable in real life. However, the truth is that education provides a foundation of knowledge and skills that can be applied across different domains. Even if you don't directly use every piece of information you learn, the critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical skills you develop are invaluable in navigating various situations and challenges. You will learn more effectively if you sit on the first bench. Many students associate sitting in the front row with better focus and engagement. While sitting closer to the teacher can reduce distractions, learning effectiveness is subjective and varies from person to person. Some students may thrive in the front row, while others may feel more comfortable and engaged in different parts of the classroom. Find the seating arrangement that works best for you and supports your learning style. Equating grades with intelligence and self-worth. It's crucial to remember that grades are just one aspect of your academic journey and do not define your intelligence or value as a person. Intelligence comes in various forms, and academic assessments often have limitations in capturing the full range of skills and talents individuals possess. Embrace a growth mindset, focus on personal growth, and celebrate your achievements beyond the confines of a letter or number on a report card. Believe that only A grade is matter. Many students fall into the trap of striving for perfection and feeling inadequate if they don't achieve the highest grades. It's important to remember that learning is a journey, and growth can be found in the process, regardless of the specific grade attained. Embrace a mindset of continuous improvement, celebrate progress, and prioritize understanding and mastery of the material over a mere letter or grade. Learning styles are fixed and unchangeable. The idea that individuals have a single, preferred learning style, such as visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, has been widely accepted. However, recent research suggests that learning styles are more fluid and context-dependent. People can benefit from a variety of learning approaches and adapt their strategies based on the subject matter and learning environment. Embrace flexibility in your learning methods and experiment with different approaches to find what works best for you in each situation. If I spend more hours studying, I will get better grades. While putting in the time and effort is crucial for academic success, the quality of studying matters just as much, if not more, than the quantity. It's not about the number of hours you invest. It is about how effectively you manage your study sessions, engage with the material, and employ active learning strategies. Focus on efficient studying techniques rather than simply clocking in more hours. We understand nothing when we read a book. A video solution solves all the problems. Visual aids can enhance understanding and provide additional context. Reading books remains a powerful and essential learning tool. Books offer in-depth explanations, diverse perspectives, and the opportunity for focused reflection. Each medium has its strengths, and it's important to embrace a balanced approach that incorporates both reading and visual resources to maximize your learning experience. If you want to learn more about studying effectively, such as effective note-taking and how to cram effectively 24 hours before the exam, watch these 2 videos.